Today is Thursday, July 4th, 2025. Hello everyone, I am Shawn. Here is your 2-week weather forecast for the entire state of Texas. Let's break it down day by day. Heavy rain continues in central Texas today, especially near Austin and the Hill Country. Major flash flooding is likely. Never drive through flooded roadways. DFW and Flower Mound, Texas will be partly cloudy with highs near 92. Texarkana to see a passing rain shower. El Paso and West Texas stays sunny and warm near 95 degrees. Amarillo, partly cloudy, warm, highs near 88. South Texas stays hot and humid with highs mid to upper 90s. Friday, Central Texas remains soaked with another 4 to 6 inches of rainfall is possible. Worsening flooding. DFW and Flower Mound, Texas may see isolated storms by afternoon. Texarkana to see scattered storms in the afternoons. El Paso, sunny with highs mid-90s. Amarillo, partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain. South Texas, very hot and partly cloudy. Highs near 98. Saturday, heavy rain starts to end in central Texas, but scattered storms may stick around. Flooded roads stays risky. DFW and Flower Mound, Texas, partly cloudy, warm, with a slight chance of an afternoon thunderstorm. Texarkana to see a rain shower. El Paso, hot and dry and breezy near 96 degrees. Amarillo, partly cloudy skies. South Texas, mostly dry, very humid, mid to upper 90s. Sunday, drier air moves into central Texas. Flooding may slowly go away, but leftover flooding is possible. Sunshine for most of Texas. DFW and Flower Mound, Texas, mostly sunny, mid-90s. Texarkana, partly cloudy skies. El Paso, sunny, near 97 degrees. Amarillo, dry and mild. South Texas, humid with a stray coastal rain shower. Monday, a wind front brings scattered rain showers to North Texas, including DFW and Flower Mound, Texas. Texarkana and maybe Amarillo, Central Texas, stays drier. El Paso, hot and dry. South Texas, warm and muggy, with highs in the upper 90s. Tuesday, mostly sunny and hot across Texas. Central Texas drying out. DFW and Flower Mound, Texas, sunny, highs in the low 90s. Texarkana, warm and partly cloudy skies. El Paso, near 98 degrees. Amarillo, sunny and breezy. South Texas, hot and humid. Wednesday, sunny skies across Texas, including Central Texas, DFW, and Flower Mound. Hot and sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Texarkana, warm and partly cloudy skies. El Paso, dry and breezy. Highs near 100 degrees. Amarillo, warm and dry. South Texas, very hot and dry, with a high around 100 and heat index near 105. Thursday, a weak front could bring light rain showers to North and East Texas, and to a DFW and Flower Mound, Texas, and Texarkana, Central Texas, hot and dry. Flood return, Central Texas, recovery continues. El Paso, dry and humid. Amarillo, to see a stray rain shower. South Texas stays hot and humid. Friday, sunshine across Texas. Central Texas, dry and hot. DFW and Flower Mound, Texas, sunny, highs in the mid-90s. Texarkana, clear and warm. El Paso, hot near 100 degrees. Amarillo, dry and warm. South Texas, near triple digits with humidity. Saturday, dry and breezy in West Texas and El Paso. And Gulf Coast may see an afternoon thunderstorm. DFW and Flower Mound, Texarkana and Central Texas, sunny and hot. Amarillo, warm and dry. South Texas, hot and sunny. Sunday, high pressures means clear skies for almost all of Texas. DFW, Flower Mound, Texarkana, Austin, El Paso, Amarillo, all sunny and hot. South Texas, hot and humid, with sunny skies. Monday, a few isolated storms for East Texas and the Gulf Coast. DFW, Flower Mound, Texas, and Central Texas, West Texas, and El Paso stays hot or dry and sunny. Amarillo, dry and warm. Tuesday, no big changes, sunny and warm for most of Texas. Central Texas should be dry from flooding by now, but rivers may run high. DFW, Flower Mound, Texas, Texarkana, Amarillo, El Paso, all sunny and hot. South Texas stays hot and humid with sunny skies. Wednesday, ending the 2-week forecast with more sun and heat for Texas. A few toasty storms is possible near Houston and Toasty Twisty. DFW, Flower Mound, Central Texas, Texarkana, El Paso, Amarillo, all dry and warm. South Texas remains hot and humid with clear skies. And now I want to give out shout-outs to my subscribers. Owwlick, thank you for being a subscriber. The One, thank you for being a subscriber. Inche, Pepper, thank you for being a subscriber. K asked 79, thank you for being a subscriber. Garry L, thank you for being a subscriber. Listen to local officials for any flood warnings, and never drive to high floodwaters. That is your 2-week weather forecast for the state of Texas. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video, and I will see you Monday.